Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another best faucet website. You can claim your free Dogecoin from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website. And first of all, go to deposit, copy your Dogecoin wallet orders from here and come in this website. This website link available in description. Paste your Dogecoin wallet orders in here and just click login. Okay, this much 1000 Satoshi up to Dogecoin every 2 minutes. This website page, just click continue to show you this capture. You solve this capture. First of all, solve this capture and then solve the recapture. After solving this capture, you can easily make in your amount. Just click it, recapture, and just click verify capture. You can see this website send me my Satoshi instantly to my faucet pay. It's so easy to making amount. You can see a lot of people making amount from this website. And I go to my faucet pay to show you the whether proof of this website. Did this website pay me or not? You can see this website send me my Satoshi instantly to my faucet pay. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.